10 fastest and healthiest breakfasts you can make in 5 minutes. 1. Yogurt with berries, muesli, and honey. It's early morning, you've just woken up, and instead of dragging yourself through breakfast prep, you simply open the fridge, grab a jar of thick Greek yogurt, scoop it into a bowl, add some crunchy high-fiber muesli, and top it all off with a handful of fresh berries. Juicy, fragrant, whether it's strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or even banana slices. And the final touch, a spoonful of honey that brings it all together into a sweet yet nutritious harmony. This isn't just a light breakfast, it's an actual energy cocktail in a bowl. Protein from the yogurt, slow carbs from the muesli, vitamins and antioxidants from the fruit, all without a second of cooking. No stove, no frying, just mix everything in a bowl and enjoy. Perfect for anyone who wants to eat right, but values their morning time. Ideal for busy weekdays when you want it tasty, fast, and good for you. 2. Apple and peanut butter toast. It sounds simple, but it works perfectly. You take a slice of whole grain bread and toast it until it's crunchy, each bite ringing in a productive day. Then, spread on a generous layer of peanut butter, rich, satisfying, and packed with those healthy fats your body craves in the morning. Next, thin slices of fresh apple. Green ones are best, with a slight tartness to balance the nutty sweetness. Put it all together, and you've got a breakfast that's not just delicious. It gives you stable energy and keeps you full for hours. The magic is in the balance. Carbs, protein, fats, fiber, it's all there. And you can whip it up in just a couple of minutes. Mornings just got easier, and life tastier. 3. Avocado toast with egg. A classic that never fails. Grab a good piece of bread, whole grain, or rye, and toast it to golden perfection. While that's toasting, mash up some ripe avocado with a pinch of salt and pepper, maybe a drop of lemon juice for freshness. Spread that creamy goodness over the warm toast. Already tasty? Now comes the grand finale, the egg. Here's where you can get creative. Hard-boiled and sliced, a soft poached egg with a runny yolk, or simply fried in a bit of olive oil. The key is to complement the avocado's softness and the bread's crunch. This breakfast not only looks amazing, it gives you a perfect balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Ideal for anyone who wants to feel energized and full without being weighed down. And yes, it comes together in under 5 minutes. 4. Green plus protein smoothie. If you're really pressed for time but still want to give your body something truly good, this smoothie is a lifesaver. Start with a handful of fresh spinach. You won't taste it, but it's packed with iron, fiber, and vitamins. Add a ripe banana for sweetness and creamy texture. Then comes Greek yogurt or kefir for smoothness and protein. Want to make it even more filling? Throw in a spoonful of nut butter or a pinch of chia seeds. Blend it all together, and in 30 seconds, you've got a green, rich, and refreshing smoothie in your hand. Not just tasty, it wakes you up like a morning shower. Easy to drink on the go, perfect for anyone rushing but still wanting to take care of themselves. A perfect start to the day when you want something light, but not empty. 5. Anti-inflammatory smoothie bowl. This smoothie is like giving your body a morning hug. It doesn't just fill you up, it helps your system function better. The base is kefir or Greek yogurt for protein and gut-friendly probiotics. Then, a handful of frozen cherries, loaded with antioxidants and a pleasant tartness. Add a bit of spinach for extra vitamins, a piece of ripe avocado for healthy fats and creaminess, a teaspoon of chia seeds, and a pinch of fresh or ground ginger. Blend it all into a creamy consistency and serve in a big bowl. This isn't just a drink, it's a full-on breakfast. It soothes your gut, reduces inflammation, and is perfect for anyone wanting to start their day with something delicious and truly beneficial. And it's ready in just a couple of minutes. 6. Instant oatmeal with toppings. Oatmeal is the breakfast that never lets you down, and you don't even need a stove. Just take rolled oats, pour over boiling water or hot milk, add a pinch of salt, and in a minute you've got a warm, comforting bowl. Now the fun part, the toppings. Nuts, dried fruits, honey, cinnamon, berries, shredded coconut. You can change it up every day, and it never gets boring. Want a cold version? Try overnight oats. Pour in milk the night before, add seeds and fruit, and by morning, it's ready to go. This kind of oatmeal keeps you full for hours, avoids sugar spikes, and helps you stay focused until lunch. Perfect for those who want a steady, healthy, super easy breakfast. 7. Mug breakfast, oats with nuts and egg. Now here's some microwave magic. Picture this. You grab an ordinary mug, add a couple spoons of oats, some crushed nuts, an egg, a splash of milk, a little honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. Mix it all up, then pop it in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. While you're brushing your teeth, breakfast is cooking. The result? Something between oatmeal, a muffin, and dessert. Warm, fragrant, soft, with a nutty crunch. You've got protein from the egg, complex carbs from the oats, and healthy fats, all in one. And you made it all right in the mug. Perfect for anyone who hates washing dishes and wants maximum simplicity with real flavor. 8. Egg breakfast sandwich. If you're craving something hearty but fast, this one's for you. Take an English muffin or toast some sandwich bread until lightly crispy. Then, add an egg, cooked in the microwave or on the stove. Fried or boiled, it's your call. Lay a slice of cheese on top. It melts beautifully on the hot egg, giving you that irresistible gooey texture. Want it even richer? Add a slice of ham, turkey, or even bacon. One quick microwave minute, and you're holding a warm, satisfying sandwich. Savory, filling, with crispy bread and melted cheese. It's the kind of breakfast that says, yes, today is going to be productive. Especially great on chilly mornings when you want something hot, nutritious, and bold. 9. Oat Energy Bites, pre-made. This is a lifesaver for those chaotic mornings. You prep them in advance. Mix rolled oats, a bit of peanut butter, chia seeds, a spoon of honey or syrup, and optionally, dried cranberries, chocolate chips, or nuts. Form into little balls and store in the fridge. In the morning, just grab a couple. Done. You can eat them with yogurt, with fruit, or take them on the go. They may be small, but they pack a punch. Fiber, protein, healthy fats, and carbs in every bite. Not just a snack, it's breakfast for people who are always moving. And best of all, you control the ingredients. No sugar, no weird additives, just pure, natural goodness. 10. Egg and spinach breakfast burrito. Here's your morning burrito that looks like it came from a cafe, but takes only 5 minutes. All you need is a tortilla, a bit of shredded cheese, a few spinach leaves, a boiled egg or a quick scramble, and a spoonful of salsa or tomato sauce. Wrap it all up, and if you want, heat it in a dry pan or microwave until the cheese melts and the tortilla is warm and soft. You can even make them ahead of time, freeze in portions, and just heat in the morning. This burrito is easy to take with you, keeps you full for hours, and gives you a nice balance of protein, fiber, and fats without feeling heavy. Perfect for both a cozy breakfast at home or a healthy fast food alternative on the go. A true breakfast for modern superheroes living in the fast lane.